there! Thank you so much for registering for the upcoming Hokkien webinar for beginners. My name is Eugene from LearnDialect.sg. So today, we'll get you ready with some exercises so that you can absorb as much content as you can during the webinar. Now, first things first, when you hear this beep sound, please pause the audio so that you can practice or answer the question at your own pace. As our registered participant, the answers have been emailed to you, but do not open the link until all exercises are completed and you're ready to check the answer. Don't cheat! We're here to help you learn Hokkien and we want to make it as easy as possible for you, even if you don't have a Mandarin background. Ready? Let's get started! Listen to these 4 tones and familiarize yourself with them. I'll say each tone twice. Again, when you hear the beep sound, pause the audio to practice. Here we go. Ah, 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 ah. Did you get the 4 tones? If not, go ahead, replay the audio and hear it again. Next, it's time for our first exercise. What tones are you hearing for each word? Again, I'll say each word twice. When you hear the beep sound, pause the audio and write down your answer. First word, san, san. Second word, shi, shi. Third word, 九, 九. Fourth word, 睡, 睡. Good. Let's move on. What tones are you hearing then for these Hokkien words? First word, si, si. Second word, si, si. Third word, xi, xi. Fourth word, xi, xi. Fifth word, xi, xi. Practice makes perfect. Now give this third exercise a try. What tones are you hearing for these Hokkien words? First word, 挑, 挑. Second word, 香, 香. Third word, 架, 架. Fourth word, 抓, 抓. Fifth word, 烘, 烘. That's it. Now check the answers. We've emailed the link to you. Did you get everything right? If not, keep trying. It's important for you to know these tones at the back of your fingertips. Great! Now that you're well prepared, we're so excited to see you soon for the Hokkien webinar. Thank you.